If you are injured or become ill, your body should deal with the problem quickly and efficiently in order to restore your health. Your body has an amazing ability to heal itself. Then, why are 20.4% of American adults suffering from chronic pain, and more than 40% of Americans affected by chronic diseases, if our bodies are so well designed? The answer is partly due to the limitations of our current understanding. Some of the ways our bodies heal themselves are well known and understood. Scientists are only now beginning to discover and understand others, and there are likely still more healing mechanisms we have yet to imagine. For many decades, scientific research and medical treatments have focused on alleviating symptoms, typically through medications or surgery. This approach is fantastic when you need antibiotics for a life-threatening infection or to set a broken bone, but it completely fails in other situations. A healthy body fights infection, heals wounds, kills cancer cells, repairs damage, and combats aging. However, maintaining and restoring health so that your body can effectively use natural healing processes necessitates more than just going to the doctor when something goes wrong. How does your body heal itself? Healing can occur in a variety of ways. Here's a quick rundown of just a few of them. When cells become ill, they can heal themselves and replicate to replace destroyed or damaged cells. When you break a bone, your body immediately starts making new cells to repair the damage. When you cut your skin, platelets in your blood clot to stop the bleeding, white blood cells remove the dead and injured cells, and new healthy cells repair the damage. Daily wear and tear is also promptly addressed. In fact, our bodies are constantly repairing damage and creating new, healthy tissue. Intruders such as viruses, bacteria, and toxins are also dealt with by our immune system. Mucus traps foreign materials, acids in various organs kill organisms, and phagocytes, a type of white blood cell, engulf and destroy invaders. Natural killer cells detect when one of our own cells is infected with a virus and destroy the infected cell. While it may appear to be a problem, inflammation is actually your body's response to an injury or infection, allowing your immune system to focus on restoring the injured or infected area to health. A fever is caused by your body raising its temperature to levels high enough to kill viruses and bacteria. The rise in temperature also activates certain cellular mechanisms that aid your body in fighting the infection. Through stem cells, bodies can also heal and regenerate. As a fetus develops in the womb, embryonic stem cells divide and differentiate into all of the cell types required to mature into a fully developed human. Once the body is formed, the embryonic stem cells vanish, leaving behind their descendants, adult stem cells. Adult stem cells divide to produce an identical daughter stem cell as well as a healthy, mature cell of a specific type. Unlike embryonic stem cells, each type of adult stem cell can only become one type of tissue. Mesenchymal stem cells, for example, can regenerate bone cells, fat cells, muscle cells, and cartilage cells. Neural stem cells can regenerate nerve tissue in the brain and spinal cord, and epithelial stem cells can regenerate skin. Adult stem cells can reproduce indefinitely, but they are not immortal and will eventually stop reproducing as efficiently as they did when you were younger. Why do our bodies fail to heal themselves? Many factors interfere with the body's natural self-healing processes. Some of these are obvious, while others are still being discovered. We do know that your body requires adequate high-quality sleep, nutritious foods, and physical activity. Stress and toxins of various kinds are harmful. Even your mindset can have an impact on your health. It is critical to get the recommended amount of high-quality sleep. While you're sleeping, you're doing a lot of repair and regeneration. Not getting enough sleep not only reduces the amount of time your body spends healing, but it also weakens your immune system. This makes you more susceptible to illness, requiring your body to focus its healing processes on overcoming the illness, rather than repairing damage caused by normal daily activities. A nutrient-dense diet is also essential for healing processes. It is required by your body for optimal health and energy. In contrast, your diet can be a major source of environmental toxins, which can accumulate and put a significant strain on your entire system. Diet can also contribute to inflammation and digestive disorders. Even a simple walk stimulates blood flow, bringing oxygen and nutrients to your cells while transporting toxins away. It improves your sleep and your mindset while reducing emotional stress. According to research, exercise not only improves your health but also plays a role in aging and possibly cancer. How is this even possible? Sedentary lifestyles are associated with shorter telomeres, whereas elite athletes have significantly longer telomeres than the average person. Telomeres are specialized structures that protect the DNA at the ends of chromosomes. When the telomere becomes too short, DNA is more easily damaged, resulting in aging or cancer-causing processes. Another important factor in poor health is free radicals. They play an important role in removing waste from cell damage. Inflammation, stress, and infection, on the other hand, increase free radical production. When your body produces an excessive amount of free radicals, it causes oxidative stress, which causes disease and damages cells and DNA. When stem cells wear out and are unable to replicate and regenerate new tissue, your body is also less able to heal and regenerate. While scientists are still investigating why stem cell numbers and efficiency decline with age, some theories include telomere shortening, oxidative stress, and chronic disease.